In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, playable Spotify embed sitting right inside your Notion page, perfect for sharing listening cues, soundtrack ideas, or reference albums while you work. Start in Spotify. Open the desktop app or the web player and navigate to the music you want to showcase. Pick the exact song or album you want to feature, so the link you grab matches what you plan to embed in Notion. Next, open the options menu for that music. Look for the three dots next to the song or album title. On desktop, you'll usually see this when you hover over the title. On mobile, it's visible beside the item. Click or tap those three dots to reveal more actions. From that menu, move to the Share option. On desktop, hover over Share to expand its submenu. On mobile, tap Share to open the sharing choices. This is where Spotify provides the direct URL you'll need for Notion. Choose Copy Link to Album. If you picked a single track, the equivalent option is Copy Link to Song. Either way, you're copying a standard Spotify URL to your clipboard. Copying the album link is great when you want the embedded player to show context and multiple tracks, while a song link keeps the focus on one item. Now switch over to Notion. Open the page where you want the Spotify content to live and place your cursor exactly where you want the embed to appear. It can be in a notes page, a project hub, or any database item with a page behind it. Paste the link directly into the page. Notion will detect that it's a media link and show a small prompt. When that prompt appears, choose Embed or Create Embed. If it pastes as plain text for any reason, convert it by selecting the text and choosing Turn into Embed, or use the Embed command and paste the same link in the dialog. Confirm the action by clicking Embed. Notion will load the Spotify player right in the page. You can resize the block by dragging the handles, reposition it by dragging the block itself, and align it to fit your layout. Press play to preview. If you don't hear audio or the player won't load, make sure you're signed into Spotify in your browser, that your network allows embedded players, and that the content is available in your region. And that's all it takes. Grab the link in Spotify, paste it into Notion, and embed. Repeat the same process for other songs or albums to build a living soundtrack directly inside your workspace.